Hello everyone, welcome to Bite the Code. So here we have another problem, and this problem is monkey trouble problem. Let's understand what this problem is. So we have two monkeys, A and B, and the parameters A smile and B smile indicate if each is smiling. So we are in trouble if they are both smiling or if neither of them is smiling. Return true if we are in trouble. So basically we need to return true when we are in trouble, and when we are in trouble if they are both smiling, okay, or if not even one of them is smiling, right? Here you can see there is a method called monkey trouble, and we have two parameters, namely A smile and B smile, right? Now if both are true, we need to return true. If both are false, again we need to return true, and we will only return false when either of them is false, right? See here the B smile parameter is false, so we are returning false. It can also happen like A smile parameter is false, other is true, and then we need to return false. So that is the condition. So here I want you to do something. Just pause this video and try to think how you will find or write its solution. Try to do it. Actually I have two solutions for this, so just give it a try and then unpause this video and see the solution. So I hope you have tried the solution. If you have got the solution, congratulations. If not, no problem. We'll see how we can approach this. So let's try to do something like this. If A smile parameter is true and B smile parameter is also true, or it can also happen A smile parameter can be false, right? And B smile parameter can also be false. In that case also we need to return true, right? So we can return true here, else we need to return false. Let's understand how I have written this statement and what it is implying. So see, when both the parameters are true, see we are using AND operator here. So if true and true, then that means the condition is true, right? And we need to return true, right? Or it can also happen both of them can be false, and this is the only condition where we need again to return true, right? So both the parameters has to be false, right? So here we are trying to get that. So for example, A smile parameter is false and B smile parameter is also false. So we are using this NOT operator to get the inverse of that, because we know inside if the conditions will only run when the statement turns out to be true, right? So that is what we are doing here. If both of them are false, then that means we need to turn it again to true. So that's what this NOT operator is doing with both of these parameters, and we are using this AND because we want to check both these parameters values together, right? We don't want either of them to be true or false. We want both of them either to be true or both of them either to be false. That's what we are doing here, and that's how we are doing it. right? I hope you understand this logic. Let's try to run this. Okay, so we get this all correct. Now this solution is okay, fine. Maybe if you have found some other solution, you are free to share in the comments. I will definitely check them out. But I have one more solution that can be more precise, and you need not to write all of these statements. You will be surprised and will be amazed at the same time. You will love the solution. That's it. Isn't it beautiful? Where we were writing 4 or 5 lines of the code to get the same output, let's run it, and again we are getting the same thing. All true, all correct. How this is working, I know I'm very sure you can get this, but still let's discuss on this. A smile, if it is true, then it will check whether the other parameter is also the same, because that is the condition, right? We want both of them to be of same kind. If one is true, other has to be true. That's what we are doing here. If A smile is true and it is equal to B smile, that means B smile is also true, then it will return true, isn't it? Right? Checked. What about if both of them are false? Again the same thing. If A smile is false and B smile is also false, then equality operator will return what? True. False equals to false. This is true, right? We are returning true again. If either of them is true or false, it will return false, because true, for example, A smile is true, is not is equals to B smile if B smile is false. So true not is equals to true is equals to false will turn out to be false. And that's the beauty of this solution. See, in only one line we are doing it. That's so cool. I hope you like the solutions, and please share your solutions as well in the comment. If you find out some other way, I would be very happy to see that. And please stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. And I'll be back with some other cool problems, something like this, and we will try to solve it together. Thank you so much.